trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Sige, mamaya. Okay. Shabot. Okay, nakuha ni number 27, Mr. Bello. Paso number 48. Benamano. Benamano, 3 points. 192, Sergeant Ivan. Dumiretso. Wala. Rebound by... Okay, bola ng Puro Press. 3-0 na po. Okay. Mr. Davera, pass to number 24. Number 24. Tumira ng tres.
Wow naman! Wow!
Pangalawang tres. Aba. Points na po ang Puro Press. 6-0. Master Bunukan, dribbling the ball. Number 24. Pass to number 21. Master Bunukan. Easy 2 points, Sergeant Ivan.
Championship na to ng mga idol.
Sergeant Ivan Palaya. Number 8, Mr. Davera. Pass to number 48 to Davera again. Okay, stepping on the line. Bola ng Purok sa east. Sergeant Dexter bounding the ball. Pass to Masa Bunukan. Number 24. Number 24, binigay kay Sergeant Dexter. Nakuha ni Sergeant Ivan. 20 turn away. Turn away. Okay. Same ball. 2 seconds. Bunukan to Sergeant Pelos number 22. Pass to Master Bunukan. Master Bunukan. Binigay kay Sergeant Ivan. Okay. Foul number 48. First personal foul. Mr. Tobatoba. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Okay, nakuha ni number 27, binigay kay number 13. Number 13 to number 8. Number 8. Number 24. Nakuha ni Sir Naway. Binigay kay Sergeant Ivan. Sergeant Ivan, dumidiretso. Sergeant Ivan, 192, dumidiretso. Wala. Nakuha ni Sergeant Dexter. To Sergeant Pelos, number 22, dribbling the ball. Number 22, dumidiretso. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Sergeant Dexter. Tumira ng jump shot. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 27 to number 8. Mr. Davera, number 8. Binigay kay number 13. Wala. Rebound by Sergeant Bunukan. Dribbling the ball, number 24. Nakuha ni Sir Noy. Tumira ng 3 si Sir. Wala. Rebound by Sergeant Ivan. Sergeant Ivan, pass to Sergeant Pelos. Sergeant Pelos, number 24. Okay, Sergeant Pelos inbounding the ball. Pass to Master Bunukan, number 24. Easy assist. Nakuha pa rin ni Sergeant Pelos. Sergeant Pelos, double team. Binigay sa ilalim. Sergeant Ivan, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, dumidiretso. Number 8, sumira, kinaliwa. Good for 2 points. Number 8. Score is 8-2 in favor of Purok Press. Okay, Master Bunukan, number 24. Number 24. Binigay. Okay, nabitawan ni Sergeant Ivan. Bola ng Purok Press. Number 8. Nakuha ni number 24. Number 24, dumiretso. Easy to fall.
Oh my God! Wow!
Master Bunukan, number 24. Score is 8-4. Apat lang ang kalamangan ng Purok Press. Number 24. Mr. Davera to no rules. Number 24, no rules. Dumiretso. Binigay kay number 13, Mr. Bello. Wala. Rebound, Sir Naway to Sergeant Pelos. Sergeant Pelos, 2-1. Dumiretso. Okay. Tumama sa tuhod. Wala pang timeout at mga bilang team. Parehas malalakas. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Number 8, Mr. Davera. Number 8, looking for someone. Pass to number 48. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13, sumailalim, wala. Rebound by Master Bunungan. Master Bunungan. Number 24. Number 24, dumiretso. Aba, nabitawan. Is 8 in favor of Purok-Tres. Okay, 4 lang yan po yan ang kalamangan ng Purok-Tres. Loros, pass to number 21. Number 48, pumukal ng 3. No good, rebound. Kaninong bola, same ball. Okay, Mr. Olario, number 21, bounding the ball. Pass to, okay, same ball again. 14 seconds to shoot. Mr. Olario, pass to Mr. Rivera, number 8. Mr. Rivera, number 8. Binigay kay number 7. So, 1-2 is starting up on 1-2 diretso. Okay, stop. Tumira ko rin. Unang free throw, wala. Aba, nagkakansayan yung Purok-6 at Purok-Tres, yung grupo ng Purok-6 dito sa kabila. Meron pa. Wala! Ito ba, second chapter.
Hawid! Pasa! Pasa!
Okay, Number 24, Loros. Okay, maitaw. Tatlong, sino yung foul?
Graduate!
Sajay Nalturo, 5-5, graduate. Congratulations, graduate. Score is 64-62 in favor of Purok-6. Lamang po ang Purok-6, pero tatlong free throw po yan, ha? Tatlong free throw lang. Batin sa penalty. Batin sa penalty. 2 minutes and 42 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Pumasok. Scoring 65-63. Nagaw pa rin ang isang Purok-6. Pangalawang prito. Scoring 65-63. Lamang ng isang Purok-6. Aba. Good luck. 64 all. Okay, 64 all. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 64 all. 50 seconds to shoot. Pelos. Sargent Balayat. Okay, same ball. 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Number Usman Lep, penalty po. 14 sa penalty. Free throw pa yan, free throw. 2 minutes and 24 seconds remaining time. Okay, same ball. 40 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds. Take the shot. Wala na tayo passing the ball, pass to number 11. Number 11, score is 66-64. Number 11, dribbling the ball. 18 seconds to shoot. Number 26, okay. First foul. Sergio Cano, first personal foul. Free throw. Okay, score is 64-66 in favor of Puroksa East.
Gago!
Nainom na po!
66-65. Okay. Then another deadlock, 66 goal. Deadlock para ulit. 66 goal. Remaining time, 1 minute and 54 seconds. Deadlock, number 24. Number 24, dribbling the ball. 11 seconds to shoot, 11 seconds. Pupunukan, dribbling the ball. Sayang lang. Okay, foul. Who's foul? Pagkitaas ang kamay. Number 26, Ronnie. 4 foul. Free throw, dalawa. The teams are on penalty. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Okay, yung ano, tabi tabi. Rep, pagsuta, time out. Number 8, Mr. Devera to Norus. Okay. Score is 68-67 in favor of Progress. Remaining time, 1 minute and 13 seconds. Number 27, Norus.
Wala!
Progress. Pumasok ko ng free throw. Score is 71-68. Tatlo lang po ang lamang. Okay. 71-68. Dalawa lang ang lamang.